Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by powering the Vscan Air and pairing it to your phone. This is the gateway to imaging. Once the battery is at least 50%, press and hold the power button until the LED blinks, then enable Bluetooth on your phone and open the Vscan Air app. Make sure the probe is in pairing mode, press the probe button quickly, and select the device name in the app. When a code appears, confirm it. This immediate connection cuts setup time and prevents dropped sessions. Now you move into acquiring images. Technique matters more than force. Start by choosing the correct preset, cardiac, abdominal, lung, because the app configures depth and frequency for you. Apply a thin layer of gel, hold the probe perpendicular initially, then angle and rotate slowly. Maintain about 2 to 3 cm of effective contact pressure. Once you have a window, fine-tune depth, gain, and focus to sharpen structures. If you need better contrast, switch compound imaging or adjust dynamic range for clearer tissue differentiation. Finish by saving and cleaning correctly so results are reliable and the device stays ready. Save clips and stills immediately, tag with patient ID, and verify transfer to cloud or local storage. This prevents data loss. Then wipe the probe with an approved disinfectant and let it air dry. Do not use abrasive cleaners. If images remain poor, try one key troubleshooting tip. Restart the app and device after reapplying gel and reselecting the correct preset. Often a quick reboot clears pairing or processing glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.